Okay.
And Zach.
It's always important to start.
At least I'm not the only one here.
Oh, I can't read it already.
All right, which one should I do today?
Are you doing a large one or like
Not even here.
A class.
Do mine.
Buzz?
Maybe.
How many of those are ours?
Like 5. As long as we're
All
also
of
talking
them.
about individual people. All right. We're gonna try to get. I love how I wrote Buzz L-Y.
You're trying to get two of them?
Like you
Like I was
needed the
like,
light
come on,
year.
Lightyear. It's much cooler to write L-Y. Like, took me 5 minutes to be like, what did I mean?
Oh.
All right, so I'll do Buzz and I'll do Michaela's Yoda.
From last year?
Forgot that I was not going to actually start with the example. For the first few examples, you need to know like these slight conversions because degrees to minutes to seconds. Yeah, I just learned this morning, so it's going to be a rough lesson today.
You guys want me to focus on posters though, right?
Yes, yeah.
Cool.
Absolutely.
So minutes is going to have the one apostrophe, and then seconds is going to be like a quotation mark after it, which is normally like inches and feet and all that. It's not in this. So 1 minute equals 1/60th degree. Another way to look at that is that 60 minutes equals 1 degree.
Is that how you draw minutes?
Yep, that's the one apostrophe, the apostrophe thing.
Just like you normally use an apostrophe for feet. By the way, the reason why we're doing minutes and seconds instead of like tenths and hundredths like you would normally feel like you'd write, like instead of writing 5.5 degrees, you could write 5 degrees and 30 minutes. So, and the reason for that is because of a clock and the angles, well, not of a clock, but circles, you know, like the angles of a circle. 60 is an easy way to split it up.
Now for the seconds. 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. Which is the same as saying that it is 1/3600th of a degree. Or you can say 60 seconds equals 1 minute, and 3,600 seconds equals 1 degree.
This is very similar, for those of you who are in math league and have been to practice this week, do you remember when we were talking about like bases,
Yeah.
base 10? This is like, instead of going by tens, we're going, like, instead of 100, it's 60. So it's like, it's gonna roll over at 60. So if I said what was 1 degree minus 30 minutes, it'd be 30 minutes or left. Because 1 degree is 60 minutes. It'll come to you more as we go. Don't worry if you're not completely understanding
The
it.
first example will help greatly with what she was trying to explain.
We're talking about old Buzz Lightyear, not this new Buzz Lightyear.
Yes.
Why would you do the new one?
The young, you know, the young Buzz Lightyear?
No,
Yeah, definitely not the new
no,
one.
the original
Original.
Toy Story.
Okay.
So for this one, we have 51 degrees and 29 minutes plus 32 degrees and 46 minutes. When you add them together, you can only add the minutes and you can only add the degrees together. It's not like one whole thing. So when you do it, it will be like 51 degrees, 29 minutes, plus 32 degrees and 46 minutes. Which, if you do it, will give you 75 minutes and 83 degrees. See how this says 75 minutes? And we can't really go above 60 minutes, because then it gets converted into a degree. So another way we can write that, we can break up the 75 minutes. 75 minutes is the equivalent of 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. So we can write that then as 1 degree and 15 minutes.
This is very much like a carry the one kind of situation.
So it's 84 degrees, 15 minutes.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this math is going to be this easy today, because they're like adding and subtracting and stuff like that. The concept is the hard thing to get your mind around.
As Lily said, it's 84 degrees and 15 minutes. Do you guys feel confident enough to do one just like this for a prize?
Yes.
Okay. It's not going to be addition this time though, so if that's what you're hoping for. Got 90 degrees minus 73 degrees and 12 minutes. Work with your poster partners to solve. Or at least confer with. Oh, sorry. Probably hard to see when it's up on the bottom of the screen.
Hold on. Wait. 16. Wait, yeah, it is.
17. Is it
So
so
you
much?
thought it was going to be.
Yeah, 17 degrees and then 12 minutes.
Okay.
How are you showing me where-
Yeah.
Hey, you thought it was going to be.
89 minus 73 is not 17, if that's what you're getting. It's not 17.
Huh?
89. You just didn't say 89. I thought I heard you say 89. So I'm like, the answer should be 16 degrees and 48 minutes. Right, yep. Okay, I'll write it next to it in a different color. You do have to change something. Slightly. Just slightly. You need something with the 90 in order to subtract the minutes. To 89, yes.
What?
Change the 90 into 89.
Then what do we do? Just the one.
You can convert that into minutes.
Wait, did you say 16?
So you just have 89 seconds then?
No, you have 89 degrees and
Yeah.
some minutes left. If you take away 1 degree, it is the equivalent of 60 minutes.
Why do you?
Because we're getting to angles.
I am so.
This is angles.
There's, yeah.
90 degrees is an angle.
This is angles as numbers.
We're basically like, here's like a 1 degree angle, right? And then we're talking about the tiny little pieces here. Because that's something, this is like a language we're gonna use in the next 3 chapters.
And then 1 degree equals 60 minutes.
So,
So then, since you need minutes to like do it, then that's it. And then it's just 60. And you
I'm looking at the wrong, you're looking at the wrong one.
because you have to, have to take away the
I got like a
degrees.
splinter in my finger like 3 days ago and forgot about it. And then just looked and I was like, oh yeah, like,
You didn't do it right away.
One degree is the equivalent.
oh, it was one of those where I was like teaching or something. I was like, oh, that's a problem. I'm gonna have to get that later.
No, we're just
Got
translating.
like a treasure chest or something.
Half
It
minutes.
didn't hurt.
Because you need some
Apparently it's like a
minutes
timer.
in order to subtract the 12 minutes.
Hey, struggling slows, everybody.
And then minus